Welcome to this tutorial on tips for Monday.com board settings. A comprehensive guide to help you maximize the potential of your Monday.com workspace. To get started, it is essential to understand the basics of a Monday.com board, which is essentially a customizable table that allows you to organize and manage your work. First, let's talk about board structure. A well-structured board is crucial for effective workflow management. To set up your board, start by creating groups, which are essentially categories that help you organize your items. For example, if you are managing a project, your groups could be tasks, deadlines, and progress. Next, let's discuss columns, which are used to track specific information about each item. Monday.com offers a variety of column types, including text, date, and numeric columns. When setting up your columns, consider what information you need to track and what actions you want to take based on that information. Another critical aspect of board settings is automation. Monday.com allows you to automate repetitive tasks and workflows using automations. For instance, you can set up an automation to send a notification when a task is assigned to a team member or when a deadline is approaching. Integrations are also a key feature of Monday.com, allowing you to connect your board to other tools and apps. For example, you can integrate your board with Google Calendar to schedule meetings or with Slack to receive notifications. To take your board to the next level, consider using dashboards, which provide a visual overview of your board's data. Dashboards can help you track progress, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions. Best practices for board settings include keeping your board simple and focused, using clear and concise naming conventions, and regularly reviewing and updating your board settings. By following these tips and best practices, you can create a Monday.com board that is tailored to your specific needs and workflow, helping you to work more efficiently and effectively. Remember to experiment with different settings and features to find what works best for you and your team.